Here we can see the rooster and the hen. The rooster is a little bigger and more colors, and the hen is in the background, a little smaller and less colorful. And this next really attached to it is another rooster, but in more detail. As you can see him bigger, just moving around. You can see the details. And overall it's a beautiful animal. We do eat them, most of us, but it is indeed a beautiful animal. Makes a nice sound in the morning. Some people are annoyed, some people like it. Go ahead and enjoy it.